Hi folks, I'm Ian with Creative Juices Signage, a San Diego sign company. Now how does free quotes, free installation, great prices, and the best warranty in the sign industry sound to you? See, we've been making signs in San Diego here for 30 years, so why not put that experience to work for you? Fabrication. We fabricate everything in-house. We have our own CNC router and plotters, so we can make your sign on your schedule and offer you the quality you deserve without using outside vendors. Secondarily, quick pricing. Now, most people are opening their businesses and they want to get their signs going. We provide most quotes within a few hours, not days or weeks. Installation. How about free installation on all our interior lobby and reception signs? That's quite a savings for you. How about our warranty? Industry standard is 1 year. On all our interior signs, we offer a lifetime warranty. That's right. As long as you own your company, we will provide the warranty free from material defects and workmanship. And on all other signs, 3 years across the board. Again, compare that to a standard of 1 year. Please check out our reviews throughout our website. We've used real people, real names, and real companies, and you can also find us on Google. Quite frankly, we can provide you the best custom sign in San Diego you can get for your money. I ask you, if you have any questions, simply pick up the phone, give us a call, shoot us an email, visit our website, creativejuicessignage.com, links below. Check out our galleries and our frequently asked questions, and we really look forward to meeting and working with you. We appreciate it. Thank you.